everyone, this is vehicle movement street light with light sensing. The main objective of this project is control the street light with the help of LDR and vehicle detection. The components used in this project are Arduino Uno, which is the microcontroller we are using here. It controls all the operations in this project. It is here we are giving the cable for uploading the program. This is the port for giving supply. Here we are giving supply using a 12 volt adapter, and here we will connect that one. And these there are analog pins and digital pins in this Arduino Uno controller board. It have 20 IO pins, out of which 14 are digital pins and 6 are analog pins. 6 analog pins are here, digital pins are here, and we can connect serially. Serial pins also available in this Arduino board. Operating voltage is 5 to 20 voltage. And the next component we are using is IR sensor. IR sensor means it has 4 pins. Actually we are using 3 pins: VCC, ground and 1 data line. Three pins are there: VCC, ground and data line. If it is detected, means it is the data line is given to a Arduino Uno board, and it have if anything detected means it will give the output as 0, and not detected means it gives output as 1. When something detected means one more LED, 2 LED will glow, otherwise 1 LED will glow. This is LDR. This is LDR, light dependent resistor, which helps for detecting light. If it is covered means it will give high value of resistance, and if it is open to light means it will be low value. And these are the LEDs for LEDs which acts as a street light. This is the supply, and how the works here means if IR detected means the IR detected means a vehicle detected. At that time the street light will glow at the full range, means fully it will glow fully, and otherwise LDR if detected means it will not glow fully, means not that much brightness will be there, less brightness will be there. If IR detected, only full brightness will be there, otherwise daylight means the LDR will be off. Let's check the working. For that we need to give the adapter to this Arduino board to get the power supply. Now I given the supply here, so it is little dark, so it is LED is glowing on this much brightness. If I am giving light means the LEDs will be, that means street light will be off, and if I am removing means it will glow, and if IR detected means if IR detected means on full range it will glow, otherwise if it is dim, glow fully. This is the working. Thank you.